There is so many reasons why people are now doing their lashes at home. Cost of living crisis, obvi, not having to go to the salon, so you're saving a lot of time. I have been a DIY girly my entire life, so here is everything that you need to know to become a DIY cluster lash girly and have those salon worthy lashes at home. First things first, say goodbye to everything you think you already knew. Ditch the glue, ditch the bond and seal, get your hands on pre-glued cluster lashes. Silly George lashes, to be specific, they are better than anything else on the market. What are pre-glued cluster lashes, you ask? They are these. It is when the glue pad is already attached to the lash when you receive it. This means you only need tweezers for application. The glue pad is also clear and undetectable, so it's super natural and comfortable lash to wear. For application, the lashes are applied underneath your natural lashes and the glue pad is pressed directly against your lashes, right where your lashes meet your lash line. You can start from the inner or outer corner and you just work your way along, applying each cluster directly beside the other one with no gaps. We use a C curl for a soft and natural look. It is the curl that most resembles your natural lash curl, so we went with that so it blends seamlessly. We have 5 different lash styles, all varying levels of fullness: rosy, blush, bloom, flutter, and flaunt. And of course they are all customizable so that you can completely build them yourself, or you can stick with the standard mapping styles: natural, cat eye, doll, or a dramatic look. And there you go, that's how you become a DIY lash girly in under 2 minutes. Make sure you follow us for more tips.